Is your Ninja Creami not spinning even though the lid is locked in place? Here's how to get it working again. Fast. 1. Check the locking tabs. Make sure the lid is fully clicked into place. If one of the two side tabs isn't snapped in, the machine won't spin, even if it looks locked. 2. Reinsert the pint. Pull out the container and make sure it's aligned properly inside the outer bowl. If it's tilted or off-center, the motor won't engage. 3. Inspect the outer bowl lid. Look closely at the plastic gear inside the lid. If it's stripped, cracked, or wobbly, the machine won't spin. You'll need a replacement lid in that case. 4. Clean the gear shaft. Lift the lid and look inside the machine at the metal gear post. If it's sticky or has food buildup, clean it with a damp cloth. Even a little residue can stop the motor from turning. 5. Avoid overfilled or frozen solid mixtures. If your mix is rock hard or overfilled, it can jam the motor. Let it soften for 10 to 15 minutes and try again. 6. Try another mode, press a different mode, like light ice cream instead of ice cream, to see if it spins. Some modes apply less force and can bypass light resistance. Still won't spin? The lid or motor base may be faulty. Reach out to Ninja Support using the link in the description for a replacement. Thanks for watching and happy spinning!